In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a Facebook page to Business Manager step by step. Adding your Facebook page to Business Manager makes it easier to manage permissions, team members, and business assets from one place. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that owns the page. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts, then select Pages. Now, click the Add button. You'll see three options: add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. If you own the page, choose Add a page. Then enter the page name or paste the page URL and select the correct page from the search results. Click Add Page to continue. If you're the page owner, the page will be added to your Business Manager automatically. After that, assign people or partners to the page and choose the permissions they need. Review everything carefully, then save your changes. Your Facebook page will now appear under the Pages section in Business Manager, ready to manage securely. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.